In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily post a live photo on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then if you want to post a live photo on Instagram story, just swipe to the right to bring up story camera and then hit where it says boomerang. That allows you to create boomerang from live photo. To do that, just hit right here to open up your photos gallery and then just scroll down until you find the images with that infinity loop symbol at the top left corner. That basically means that this is a live photo, and then you can select any photo, let it be that one, and in order to turn it to a video, you should tap right here at that infinity sign again, and that creates a boomerang video from your live photo. After that, you can hit at done, and then you can continue editing that story. You can add there some stickers, text, and all that stuff, and then just hit on arrow icon to share it with your followers. However, if you want to create a post from live photo, there is another simple trick how you can easily do so. So for now, let's hop out Instagram and open up Photos. In Photos, let's find the same live photo. Here it is, it says live there, and then you should convert it to the video. To do that, just hit at these three dots and then hit on save as video. After that, you can go out of here and then you can easily find the 2 seconds video file. Here it is, and after that you can post it on your Instagram as a post. Let's go out of here. Just hit at plus sign and then just post that video file as a post on Instagram. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.